Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you do quite well, and here is 9600 plus t-shirt design in different format. You can use in CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, but these files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now for a lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, join me, and last year my Telegram channel, Sheri feature. Subscribe this for latest notification of any video. Okay, so here language is Spanish. Okay, extra, I don't know. Here is a CorelDRAW file, games, animated, children, PNG, you can print on t-shirts. On here is DG, princess, origin, and revolution, trees, circus. Open this one, jump. You see, you can edit everything in CorelDRAW now, and here is you see, these are editable. Here is a family, okay, Father Day. These are PNG and CDR, princess, painted chicken, sorry, water, games, I don't know, personalities, oh Charlie, here is other, black horse, okay, cartoon, Pink Panther, stupid dog, Popeye, wow, for flowers, Foo Fighter, like a flash logo. Here is music, the next step, trees, I hope these are useful for you. All design are fully editable but password in this app. Bye now, a lifetime. Take care. Allah Hafiz.